कोविड का यह दौर हमारे लिए बहुत मुश्किल है, बहुत ही चुनौतीपूर्ण समय है। कोविड के बाद जिस तरह से लॉकडाउन हुआ और हम सबको अपने घरों में रहना पड़ा स्वास्थ्य और सुरक्षा की दृष्टि से, लॉकडाउन और घर में रहकर काम करना एक विकल्प बना, मगर इसे अपनाना इतना आसान नहीं था। यह अलग बात है कि बाद में यह हमारी ज़िंदगी का हिस्सा बन गया है और इसके कारण एक नई व्यवस्था बनी, नए माध्यम मिले, नया मंच मिला, वर्चुअल माध्यम, सोशल मीडिया, इंटरनेट के कारण आज ज़िंदगी बदल गई है और इसका असर लंबे समय तक रहने वाला है। सोशल मीडिया माध्यमों पर बड़े आयोजन हो रहे हैं, सरकारी और निजी वार्ताएं हो रही हैं, बड़ी कंपनियों और संस्थानों के कर्मचारियों ने वर्क फ्रॉम होम की संस्कृति को अपना लिया है। शिक्षण संस्थान भी समय के साथ चल रहे हैं, कक्षाएं और कार्यक्रम ऑनलाइन हो रहे हैं और स्कूलों ने कुशलता के साथ परिस्थिति को संभाल लिया है। आज हम बात करेंगे सुशीला बिरला गर्ल्स स्कूल की। स्कूल में हाल ही में नई प्रिंसिपल कोयली देजी ने पदभार संभाला है और उनके पास इस समस्या को लेकर न सिर्फ पूरा रोड मैप तैयार था, बल्कि उन्होंने इसे सफलतापूर्वक लागू भी किया है। आज हम सुशीला बिरला गर्ल्स स्कूल की सफलता की यही कहानी आपके सामने रख रहे हैं, जहां पर बहुत से स्कूल, बहुत से संस्थान और बहुत से शिक्षक और बहुत से प्रबंधन अभी इस उलझन में हैं कि कोविड-19 से उत्पन्न परिस्थितियों के बीच कैसे काम किया जाए। शिक्षण संस्थान ये सोच रहे हैं कि स्कूल को खोला कैसे जाए और किस तरह से परिस्थिति को संभाला जाए, किस तरह से विद्यार्थियों और शिक्षकों की सृजनात्मकता के साथ उनके मानसिक स्वास्थ्य का ख्याल रखा जाए। तो हाल ही में सुशीला बिरला गर्ल्स स्कूल की ओर से एक पत्रकार वार्ता हुई थी, जहां हमारी जो मुलाकात है वो प्रिंसिपल कोयली दे तथा अन्य वरिष्ठ प्रशासनिक सहयोगियों के साथ हुई, जिनमें हेडमिस्ट्रेस विदिशा पांचा थी, को करिकुलर कोऑर्डिनेटर जो सीनियर सेक्शन की रुबीना जी थी और रितु पसारी जी थी जो को करिकुलर कोऑर्डिनेटर हैं जूनियर सेक्शन की। तो हम ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं कहेंगे, आप आगे देखिए और हमें उम्मीद है कि ये आपको अच्छा लगेगा।
Are on this job round the clock, every single day.
How are you handling?
First of all, we have looked at it from a holistic angle.
Okay.
It is not only, say, academic pressure, it is also to do with not being able to meet your friends or being under your parents' fierce gaze. Because right now, the child is at the center of the parents' attention. The parent is at home 24/7, so is the child. That also not being able to do what you want to do. Sometimes a child starts crying or so many of them have mood swings. So one is that the counselors have been counseling them either through the virtual platform or calling them up every single day from the time from I think March 28th, 29th last year till date. Every single day the counselors call up the children or the parents for various reasons. And we get a report. We have two counselors.
Okay.
So, yes.
And we also introduced friendship period last year.
Okay.
To ensure that what you're talking about, that what about the child's mental relaxation. So we introduced friendship period last year so that children can come and they can interact with each other. So we had a 40-minute schedule and we did it for classes 3, 4 and 5 in the primary. I think 4 and 5, right? And
we had one full period in between two classes, which we called it an interval, where the children, met
for primary.
Yeah, where the children met.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. And they put on music or they just played games with each other. So we are, it's like a concession price. We can't give you the real thing.
What about senior classes?
This is what we did. We had one period, we called it the interval, and the children would meet during that time, and they would
In the
interact
senior
with each
classes
other.
also?
Yes.
Yeah, of course. 6 to 12.
From 6 to 12, it is called the
Interval.
Interval, okay.
And for primary, it is called the friendship
Friendship
period.
period.
Without any adult.
Yeah, there's
Without
no
the
adult.
teacher being there, so the children were free to
And
really
all
enjoy.
students are there.
Yeah, so see by now,
Unmuted.
unmuted, of course.
Unmuted, yes.
Because that's the way it is when they're in school. They're all on unmute, and there's all the noise.
But you know,
And
it was another version of reality in the sense that even when they are together, they have small groups.
yeah.
So then they decided that my group we are not interested maybe in meeting each
That is a
other.
part of our life now.
Yes.
What the students are
Right.
all together. That is also
Absolutely.
required.
Because see, at the end of the day, you have to give that time to the children also to interact. And by now, honestly speaking, they've figured out that this is the way forward. Initially, we were thinking that whether children will understand these online classes, whether it's going well or not. But now they are much more sincere. They know that this is the way forward because they are also very well thought out. Even the primary, I think they're doing very well with their online classes. They're sincere about their online classes. So it is a good.
This is required.
This is required. The orientation is very important for everyone, for the teachers also, even for the students.
And another thing that comes to mind that we do that we started again, we have a club, a mental health club called Avishkar.
Okay.
And we started that all over again on the virtual platform. So the things like, let's say for example, using music as therapy, using dance as therapy, how to manage your anger, how to take charge of this stress within you, anxiety, stress, for various reasons, how to control that, how to win over this anxiety. Now we are having sessions virtually, so that also we have. Then we also have sessions on yoga, physical activities. We have this early morning 15 minutes where we actually do a whole lot of talking and telling them how to do certain things, just talking and helping them to relax, getting into the right frame of mind before they begin their classes in the morning. So they do a lot of yoga, they do a lot of breathing exercises, and I think that is helping them. Initially I think the problem was more acute because it was something new. Nobody knew how to handle all this. But right now I think children are in a better space.
Children, adult, everyone.
And
it was new for us also.
Yeah, like you just said, that for adults also, for teachers also.
Yeah, that's
Because
what I'm saying.
teachers,
For us, it's
the children, they took this entire thing very quickly. But there are teachers who, it is very, very, new for them, this digital platform.
No, the last
Right?
September teachers.
Exactly.
It's been done.
So they have adapted it, the way they have adapted it and the
It's
way they are
really
taking
commendable.
classes
Yeah.
is commendable.
Imagine an English language teacher teaching
Maths.
something.
Can you think of maths, commerce? These are the things which, of course, you're teaching virtually. One child, if the child switches off her camera and sits down, and later she comes back and tells you that I did not understand. Again, she had to go back and teach her. So the teachers have done a wonderful job. And there's one more thing, ma'am, I just would like to add over here that this year our teachers, like the social science department, yes, and work-life balance, and another department, the commerce department. They have conducted a workshop for all the teachers in the school. So it was a wonderful experience for all of us to learn so much about our finance. The commerce department, they did that.
We called it empowerment through financial literacy. And ours is an all-girls school, and our teachers are also lady teachers. But because we met with a lot of success, because most of us are not very smart when it comes to our managing our own money. So we had this session, and we were told how to manage our money better, and most of us benefited, I think, immensely.
Yes.
So now this coming Saturday we opened it to all schools in the city and some other schools from Delhi, from South. So we hope it's going to be a good experience for everyone. That then we are changing this format a little bit and going to do another session for our senior girls.
So experience and cooperation.
Yeah.
Parents.
Parents are
Parents have been cooperative throughout, and we have kept in touch with them. Whether it is to do with financial difficulties. In the last financial year, I think there were about 28, 29 students who received fee concessions. Many parents were unable to pay the fees, so we gave a lot of concessions to them. So the management has been extremely kind, especially because everybody bore the brunt of this, financial. It wasn't as if it was only the parents, but even the management, faced a lot of problems. But despite that, and of course, we did have one child who lost her father, so she was given a free shoe.
fantastic.
So all these things, our management doesn't have to be coaxed or cajoled. Automatically it's done. As far as these humanitarian things are concerned, they have been the best that we've.
This is really nourishing.
That has always been. And you mentioned about always. And you mentioned about teachers and their mental health. We had, spread over, I think 4 or 6 weeks. We would have every other Saturday, Mrs. Paja, myself, and the 2 counselors. We would meet teachers in small groups. And we would sit and
Like a coffee session.
Like a coffee session, like now. Coffee session, just to chat, to find out how things are happening, how they are managing at home, how is their family.
Yes.
Everything virtually.
Everything has to
Everything virtual. We didn't call anyone.
But it was wonderful, meeting them.
And there were teachers who started crying.
Yes.
They cried, they shared stories. So many people lost their loved ones.
Many in the same.
Many. So, and they were finding it so difficult. You cook, you clean, you shop, you teach, and you do everything.
And no domestic help.
No domestic
domestic
help. So, and of course the financial crunch. So those sessions were also wonderful. And it left everybody with a feel-good kind of a thing.
This is very important.
So that was without any structured agenda. That I'm not training you, I'm not teaching you some new method or a methodology, but this is just to be you, to let your hair down,
Unwind,
just to unwind, unwind, talk, and just to be there for each other. Because we believe that our school is one big family. Teachers are a part of this family, and we try as much as possible to help each other. Sometimes it's not possible, but whenever possible, we try to reach out.
And I just wanted to add for the parents, as you were asking. Last year we had sessions for the parents also, counseling the parents. Parents as teacher, our in-house counselors also conducted some sessions with them, the young parents especially. And even we had Mr. Amitabh Mohan. He conducted a session for all the parents, so that they were also very anxious as to how to handle the situation, because they were young parents, children at home, whether they would be able to cater to the needs, etc., change and adapt to the online platform. So we have had sessions with them also. Their concerns as far as the ophthalmologists, we had sessions from them also, so that we are genuinely concerned about the children also. Not that we want them to sit for long hours in front of the computer and spoil their eyes. So in primary, we have a substantial time break between 2 classes. So it's a half an hour class with a 15-minute break in between, so that they have enough time to rest their eyes. In the class teachers period, class teachers are constantly talking about eye exercises, blinking of eyes, very important. So all these things are being reiterated from time to time, so that we are also looking into their physical health, because that is very important also. We cannot neglect it. So, whenever the parents have put forth any concern, we have always tried to address it in the best possible way.
I'd like to add one point.
Sure.
Children,
Yeah.
apart from our regular art, music, dance and PT classes, this year we introduced a lot of clubs for our primary children. So they have Scrabble, they have skating, then they have cookery, yoga, quiz, even Bulbuls, which is a part of Bharat Scouts and Guides. Then we've introduced a German club for them. So these are also stress busters for children that are apart from regular studies?
All the children?
Or it depends from different levels.
It's optional. It's optional.
Optional.
Whatever you want.
Yes,
So-
yes.
And I think our motto has been we shall overcome, we shall overcome and we have overcome. Even things like, say about 2 years back, we would have thought impossible. I mean, it's just not going to happen. Say for example, an exchange program. Every year we've had exchange programs with different countries, Germany, France, many countries. But after a few months, we are back. We are doing exchange programs and on virtually. We are in touch with our partner schools, so the children are really looking. I mean, they enjoy these sessions. It's something that is a little different. It's virtual. Parents are happy because there is no fear of them getting exposed. And even field trips. I think every month when I submit my report, I mean, almost one page, the list is so long. Because the internet has opened up. Like recently, I can tell you, children from 8, 9, the ABM, those who do these classes, those who take art in the middle school and the senior school, they were taken on this virtual tour of our National
Gallery.
National
Art
Gallery,
New Delhi. Yeah, so
and that's one of our best in the country. Say, this time we realize that this is actually an advantage. You can actually enter a pyramid. You can go to the National Art Gallery, where even if this was the old normal, it may not have been possible to take the children right inside. But now you can do whatever you wish.
Even our virtual picnics
was
virtual picnic.
We had
virtual picnic from National. We had 5.
It was
And each class chose their theme. Somebody chose Disneyland, somebody chose 7 Wonders of the World. So they dressed accordingly. They even made, these boarding passes because they have to board a flight and all. So that kind of activity. And nursery to 5, they went on virtual picnics to lovely places.
And they had made this kiosk in their own houses, maybe someone out in the balcony or in the garden.
Yeah, the balcony.
And they were just
So
set
nice.
up. Just we were allowed.
Your virtual sports and virtual picnic,
Yeah.
for those two events, people have talked about it. So,
Yeah, the
many
virtual
people have
event-
asked, what was that? So,
Nursery